Okay guys, so 200 miles in and I found this very first defect or what, or I don't know, but I think it's been like this since quite a long time. So this seal won't sit here. It's keep popping up whenever I'm riding, and other ones are fine. It's just this side, this particular one just pops up, so it's not locked properly here. It's plastic seal. So what I'm thinking to put something like some glue. So I'm thinking to put this Loctite super glue, which comes with a brush, so easy to apply because it has a brush. So I'm just gonna do a really small area only on this side, visible side, not on the back side. I was thinking what to use. First I thought I should use hot glue because hot glue is easy to remove, because these kind of super glues kind of permanent kind of thing, and when you remove them or you want to remove them, they take paint with you or damage the surface. Or maybe give me some ideas what you guys think. What should I use here? Only need a tiny amount of some some adhesive. That's the first thing I found in my wheel 200 miles in. I did a review video, you can go and watch, link on the top right corner. Yep. Okay, we are about to clean the suspension, and this is really important for suspension wheels. So you need some rubbing alcohol, 99.9% alcohol, some bicycle oil, some WD-40. You don't have it, not a problem. Bicycle oil, chain oil will work. And I have some clothes to wipe this off. This is for shell, UC shell, to clean the shell, and this anti-glare wipe is for headlight. So let's crack on. First of all, we need to wipe off existing oil which is dirty and has dirt on it. So we use some rubbing alcohol, which is really important to wipe off the existing oil. See, there's some dirt on the clothing. I don't know if you can see in the camera. So we're gonna re-oil it. It's not a problem. We're gonna re-grease it and everything, but I want to take off the existing dirt. This is a quick maintenance. It's not repair video, or it's not a professional video. It's just quick oiling and greasing of suspension outer layer, just to wipe off the dirt. Especially if you've been into really dirty, muddy areas, just re-oiling it is important. So what alcohol will do is take out all the moisture and oil and dirt. So see, there is a lot of dirt coming out. So this was the dirty oil. We will do same for these pipes. We will be using alcohol. I would avoid spraying alcohol directly onto the pipe because there's a rubber sealing, plastic sealing, which has adhesive on it, which will damage that adhesive. Unless you want to open these seals and apply adhesive on them, then you can do that, but I don't want to open those. I just want to clean the outer layers of the beam. See the dirt. It's a oil. It was oiled, well oiled, but dirty oil. You want to put brand new oil, fresh. And the same thing, we will make sure the dirty oil is gone. Now we're gonna put some WD-40 first to clean it further, and then just with clothing, excessive liquid should be, just chew the excessive liquid. Now some bicycle chain oil. Again, just chew the excessive material. Believe me, I've done this before, and this will make your suspension so smooth, so smooth. This oil, bicycle oil, you'll be like jumping around on your suspension. Same thing for this. You put some WD-40 and just wipe it off, excessive one, and some bicycle oil. Now this part of the suspension has fresh oil, clean oil, which will help in movement. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a very short video, and I'll do the same thing for the other side, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.